Here I have HAIER V5, and let me show you how to add a screen lock on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then go to screen security, and now pick screen lock. And here you can choose the screen lock that you would like to have, so it can be, of course, none, it can be just swipe, or pattern, or even pin code. So let's pick, for example, pattern. And now you have to draw the pattern that you would like to have. Tap on continue, then confirm it one more time, just draw it one more time, and tap on confirm. Then decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked. I would like to see it all, so just tap on done. And since now this pattern is protecting your phone, you can of course change it. Just tap on screen lock one more time. Now draw the pattern that you have, and let's change it to pin code. So just tap on pin, enter the pin code. Just remember that it must have at least 4 characters. Then tap on next, enter it one more time, tap on next, and the same story. So I will pick show all notification content, tap on done, and since now this pin code is protecting your phone, you are not able to unlock it without entering pin code. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.